Ito ang huling almusal ni Jack Dawson on that fateful night when the Titanic sank. Here's the breakfast menu of the second and third class passengers. Magkano kaya ang ticket nila noon kumpara sa ngayon? Simulan natin sa second class passengers. They started with fruit, rolled oats, and boiled hominy. Meron ding fresh fish, yarmouth bloaters para sa mga gusto ng seafood, grilled ox kidneys and bacon, American dry hash au gratin, at syempre, grilled sausage with mashed potatoes, grilled ham and fried eggs, Vienna and Graham rolls, sawdust cones, and buckwheat cakes with maple syrup. And then of course, tea, coffee, conserved marmalade, at watercress para sa extra touch. Ang tanong, magkano ang ticket price ng mga second class passengers? 12 pounds noong 1912, which is around $1,800 today, o mahigit sa 94,000 pesos. Ang third class passengers na katulad ni Jack Dawson, ano kaya ang nasa breakfast menu nila? Meron silang oatmeal porridge and milk, smoked herrings, at jacket potatoes. Meron ding ham and eggs, fresh bread and butter, marmalade, at Swedish bread. Tapos, tea and coffee para sa perfect na simula ng araw. Yun lang, at ang ticket nila, 7 pounds noong 1912. Ngayon, nasa $1,000 na ito, or approximately 55,000 pesos. From luxury to simplicity, Titanic had it all. Imagine, anong klaseng almusal kaya ang pipiliin mo? At saang class ka kaya babagay based sa ticket prices? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to follow para updated ka sa mga ganap dito sa ating Titanic series.